In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access prior year returns in TurboTax. If you need to look back at an older tax return for your records, to share with a lender, or simply to review what you filed in a previous year. TurboTax makes that process fairly straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to expect along the way so you can find your return quickly and open it without confusion. To get started, sign into your TurboTax account. Make sure you're using the same account where your taxes were originally filed, since prior year returns will only appear under that specific account. If you have more than one account and don't see what you need later on, that's usually the first thing to double check. Once you're signed in, go to the tax homepage. From there, scroll down until you reach the resources section. This area contains helpful account and document tools, including access to your saved returns and tax files. In the resources section, look for tax returns and docs and expand that section. When you open it, TurboTax should display the tax documents linked to your account. If you've previously filed with TurboTax, you'll see a list of the tax years that are available for you to access. Take a moment to find the specific year you want, then select that tax year to continue. This will bring up the options available for that return. Depending on what TurboTax shows for your account, you may see an option like Download Print Return as a PDF, along with possibly other document-related choices. Choose Download Print Return, or whichever available option lets you view the return you need. The file will typically download as a PDF, which is useful because it preserves the original formatting and is easy to save, review, or print. If your browser asks where to save the file, pick a location you'll remember so you can find it again easily later. After the download is complete, open the PDF to review your prior year tax return. From there, you can read through the details, save a backup copy for your records, or print it out if you need a paper version for personal use, tax planning, or document requests. If you don't immediately see a certain year listed, make sure you're in the correct account and check whether that return was actually filed through TurboTax. That small check can save a lot of time. Thanks for watching.